We want to run a team survey. Previously we've done them, but nothing ever came out of it. So this time, we're trying a new way. Let's ask Nova AI to build the process. Stick around until the end to see what it does. It will definitely surprise you. In just a few seconds, AI starts building the entire workflow. Here is the process. It built the survey, which I can refine by asking AI for adjustments or by making them myself. Next, it created a team discussion session to evaluate the results. The process doesn't stop there. It ensures improvements are actually implemented. As you can see, there's an action plan and a follow-up pulse survey to evaluate our progress over time. So now I just invite the team to the survey, the key people to the discussion, and even AI to be part of the process. When the team participates in the survey, AI automatically performs the initial evaluation of the results right after. As you can see, it left that analysis right here. Perfect. That leads straight into our next session, where the team discusses the findings and decides what to prioritize. I even assigned AI to generate initial ideas to get us started, and you can see it working through them here. Once we make a final decision on our main focus areas, we move straight to the action plan. I also asked AI to create a training session to communicate to the team what will be implemented and how it will work. Next, I'm setting this pulse survey on a recurring schedule to make sure the improvements are actually helping. In a few seconds, the whole process was created. What process do you need help with to speed up your team and reach your objectives?